Good day and welcome to the Rise channel. Now, following up on investing as a financial world building tool, today we're actually going to look at investing in South Africa. And note there are several options available to consider based on your risk appetite, your investment goals, and investment horizon. And here I'm going to look at four options to consider when you want to invest in South Africa. Number one is the exchange traded funds, which is the ETF. ETFs. ETFs are a good investment option for those who want to invest in the broad South African market. Now, these funds are designed to actually track the performance of the overall market or just one particular segment. And this provides you with diversification and lower risk. Number two is the blue chip stocks. Remember, we've actually touched on stocks. And remember, a stock is a piece of a company that you buy. Now, the blue chip stocks, investing in the stocks of well-established, financially sound companies is another option to consider. These companies are listed on JSE, the Joburg Stock Exchange. Companies such as, MTN, there's Sasol, you look at Naspers, there's your Bidvest. These companies, you can actually look at these companies, they're called blue chip companies. Therefore, you actually investing in blue chip stocks. And these are some of the big blue chip stocks that you can consider if you want to buy any stocks in the South African market. Number three, it's investment grade corporate bonds. Now, corporate bonds, remember we spoke of bonds where, there's bonds that are issued that you can buy in a company or in the government. Now, the corporate bonds are issued by high-quality companies with strong credit ratings, can be a fixed income investment option with less risk. Remember, bonds you can start withdrawing after 6 months if you're below 65. Anyone over 65 in South Africa can actually start withdrawing. The moment they put in their money into the bonds, they can start withdrawing. On a monthly basis, you get a monthly income that's coming in, and this provides you with a lower risk and a very, very low risk. Bonds are at a lower risk. Number four, it's the retail estate investment trusts, REITSs. Now, REITSs invest in a portfolio of income generating properties, such as your office buildings, your retail spaces, and apartments. Now, investing in REITs provides diversification and a steady income stream through the distribution of rental income. So you wanna maybe invest in companies like Baldwin Properties. You wanna, I think Group 5 has gone down now, but companies like Group 5 where they these malls, or you look at Baldwin Properties. I think there's Zatoyas as well that's got properties. Invest in those companies. As tenants are paying rent, you actually get that rental income into your portfolio or into your funds. Now, remember, it is important that to know that all investments come with a risk. Look at what would happen with Group 5. Group 5, I think they hit a brick wall and the company went down. And it is essential to do proper research and consult a financial advisor before investing in any market or in South Africa. Ultimately, your investment goals and your risk appetite or your risk tolerance will determine your best course of action, but you might need to involve the financial advisor because they would know what's really happening, because there's a lot of factors that play into the market that can actually affect your investment. It could be a positive effect or a negative one. So involving a financial advisor is always advisable. Please speak to a financial advisor. Tell them how much money you've got and what you're willing to risk and how much risk you're willing to take with that money, so that they can ultimately give you, advice on what to do. Ultimately, the decision is yours, but they can give you sound advice on what to do. So please, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comment box. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.